Arctic King air conditioners use specific refrigerants that require careful handling and safety protocols. Understanding these refrigerants is essential before attempting any maintenance work. Modern Arctic King units typically use two main refrigerant types, R32, which is flammable, and R410A, which is non-flammable. Each has different safety requirements and handling procedures. The refrigerant classification system categorizes these substances by flammability and toxicity. This chart shows how R32 falls into the A2 category, indicating lower toxicity but higher flammability compared to R410A. Always identify your unit's specific refrigerant type on the nameplate before any service work. Mixing different refrigerants is extremely dangerous and can damage the system or cause safety hazards. Working with refrigerants requires EPA certification and proper safety equipment. Professional technicians have the training, tools, and legal authorization to handle these substances safely. Essential safety protocols include disconnecting power before any work, ensuring proper ventilation, avoiding open flames near flammable refrigerants, and wearing protective equipment like gloves and eye protection. Professional service is strongly recommended due to the complexity, safety risks, and legal requirements involved. While DIY kits exist, improper handling can be dangerous and potentially illegal without proper certification. Proper maintenance and early issue identification are crucial for keeping your air conditioner running efficiently and safely. Three key signs indicate low refrigerant levels. First, weak cooling performance, where the unit struggles to reach desired temperatures. Second, reduced airflow from vents. Third, frost formation on the evaporator coils. Before adding refrigerant, you must identify and fix any leaks in the system. Simply adding refrigerant to a leaking system is only a temporary solution that can cause further damage and waste money. Regular filter maintenance is essential. Clean the air filter every 2 weeks to maintain optimal performance and prevent issues like coil freezing. A dirty filter restricts airflow and forces the system to work harder. Follow these general maintenance procedures. Always unplug the unit before any cleaning. Use only a soft, damp cloth for exterior cleaning. Ensure proper ventilation clearance around the unit for efficient operation. For basic troubleshooting, first check the power cord and circuit breaker if the unit won't turn on. Verify proper grounding. Consult your owner's manual for any error codes displayed. When not in use, store the unit in a cool, dry place. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only. Always consult a qualified HVAC technician for repairs and any refrigerant-related services. Professional service ensures safety and proper system operation.